How to set up an authentication method through Microsoft. Start off by signing into your UTRGV account. You will arrive to your My UTRGV home. Once here, press on any email in the Email tab. Pressing on the Microsoft Office could also work. You will then be prompted to do the Microsoft verification process. Go ahead and press Next. You will then be given the option for your authentication method. Here's a link which will show you how to download the Microsoft Authentication app. If you have already downloaded the app through either the App Store or Play Store, go ahead and click Next. Now you'll have to open the app on your phone and click Add Account and Other. There will be a QR code which you will need to scan with your phone to link your account to the app. After you scan the QR code, you will see your UTRGV email with a code on the app. Enter the code in the blank box to complete the process. Nice! Now you have successfully set up your authentication method. After you have set up the app, we highly recommend adding more authentication methods. To do this, please open a web browser and go to mysignings.microsoft.com. Click on Security Info from the left-hand side. This page shows all your current authentication methods. Please click on the Add Method button that contains the plus sign and add all possible authentication methods. In case your phone is lost or damaged, we recommend adding an alternate phone. Please note that for the email method, add a personal non-UTRGV email address. This will allow you to request a password reset link to your personal account. Now you may check your default sign-in method. We highly recommend setting the Microsoft Authenticator app as is the default due to its convenience and elevated security. For step-by-step instructions, please visit the IT support at support.utrgv.edu and search for Self-Service Password Reset, Microsoft Authenticator app.